about to give them what they want. I don't think they're ready for this though. Beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode, beast mode. What's good, YouTube? You know who it is. Chris Jones representing Pump Chaser. So fam, it's Saturday. I was about to start my day and I was like, you know what? It's been a while since I've tapped in with my fam. Let's go ahead and do a vlog. Fuck it, let's get it. So I'm about to start making me a protein shake, fam. Just a simple shake and we're gonna go to the gym. Let's get it. All right, homies and homies. Just gonna start off. Oh shit, no, damn it. I'm picking that up by the way, shit. But anyway, I'm gonna start off with some strawberries frozen. Gonna do a GAF whey, peach cobbler flavor, you already know. Head on down to TigerFinish.com, okay? Gonna do a little bit of hippie milk and blend this up. Yeah, buddy! Hey, man, I'm turning this shit down. In a gym parking lot, fam, sipping on that GAF whey. You already know, TigerFinish.com. Get my mind together on that R&B. Let's get it. What I'm hitting today? Yeah, I got delts and traps. Let's get it, baby. Bam. All right, homies and homies. You see where I'm at. You see where I'm at. You know what I came here to do. I actually got to make this workout pretty quick. I got to run a couple of errands and get my truck washed. We're going to an event later, so got to run these errands. All right, homies and homies. Workout done. Got a decent pump, nothing crazy. Like I said, gotta make the workout quick. All right, stopping by for a car wash, man. Hope they can get me in here quick.
Right now.
All right, so I'm gonna walk, get some food, come back. So how fast can you have this ready?
No, I'm gonna.
Now, while I wait for my truck to get cleaned, I'm gonna give me a Subway sandwich. All right, let's get it. Hold on. Protein. See? We got that fresh fit protein sandwiches. Let's get it. Let's give them a try. I'm gonna go with that grilled chicken avocado, top left. Every time I go to Subway, there's always somebody in the comment section talking shit. I can't believe. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. I like Subway. I wouldn't spend my money on this shit if I didn't like it. Just keep that in mind. So check it out. I got that fresh fit protein packed grilled chicken and avocado sandwich right here. Okay. I got a cookie. It's Saturday. It's Saturday. Why the fuck not? Okay. And we got some baked legs. Let's get it. Alright guys. Looks like I'm right on time. The lighting out. Oh shit. Looks like I'm right on time, fam. Truck nice and washed, ready to go. Let me take a look, man. Ooh, they got me looking good. They got me looking good. Let's get it. All right, fam, here we are, downtown Dallas. Where we headed, Denise?
To the W.
W Hotel for an event. Let's get it, fam. All right, fam, we're headed to that 33rd floor. We're gonna see what's in store. Let's get it.
And he's utilizing black contractors to build it. Where's Randall Howard? Randall Howard was a GC.
She said, my name is Fred Rouse III. My grandfather was named $100 million street.
Damn.
Brent sat down at the table and gave.
All right, guys, having a great time. Doing a little networking, shaking some hands. Just got home. What's it, hi, Brookie?
Hi.
Show them what we got over here. Show them what we got. She want to show you what we got, guys. Show them this bag right here. Got fries and burgers. Got the burgers right here. I'm about to go ahead and call it a night, guys. It's getting late. Thank you guys for hanging out, and I'll see you at the next video. Don't forget to like my shit, comment, subscribe. I'll back at your boy. We need a moment of silence before we fuck up these weights.